In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page to another workspace in Notion. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're managing multiple projects across different workspaces and need to keep information synchronized or share resources effortlessly. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this task as smooth as possible. First, you want to start by navigating to the main page in your Notion account. This is the control center for all your projects and is where you can access the pages you created or manage everything you need. Once you're there, look for the page you wish to move and click on it to highlight it. Clicking on the page highlights lets Notion know what you intend to work with, and it prepares the interface for the next steps. Next, find the Move To option. This is typically located at the top of your page or within a drop-down menu, depending on your layout settings. Clicking on Move To is a clear indication that you want to relocate the page somewhere else, and it prompts Notion to provide options for you to choose where this page should go. Once you've clicked Move To, from the list of your workspaces, select the workspace called Test Accounts Workspace. This step legally transfers your page from one digital context to another, effectively replicating the efficiency and flow you have built in one workspace for consistent, continued use elsewhere. After selecting the initial workspace, you'll want to choose Test Accounts Second Workspace. Think of this as sending a letter to a different address. Selecting the correct workspace ensures the right people, or in this case, the right project setup, receives your page. Then, you'll need to click on Test Accounts Workspace HQ. This further categorizes where in the workspace your page will land, ensuring an organized transition without clutter. At this point, you might see a prompt saying, "I understand. Duplicate." Clicking this will let you voluntarily duplicate and move the page, acknowledging that you're intentionally transferring a copy instead of cutting it entirely from its original place. Return to the main workspace interface and simply click to highlight it again. This refreshes your view and helps signal that everything is processed correctly. Now, it's important to verify that your page was copied successfully. Click on Test Accounts Second Workspace once more to check. This action is akin to opening a file cabinet and seeing your well-labeled folder in its correct spot, ready for use whenever you need it. Finally, you should see the copied page within the new workspace. Congratulations! You've now successfully copied a page to another workspace in Notion, ensuring your information is precisely where you need it to be for maximum productivity and collaboration.